Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you something great. As you may know, I have my Huawei P50 Pocket for about a month now, and today I'm going to show you this specially designed case exclusively for Huawei P50 Pocket. So what is so special? Let's take a look. Right. Here I have my P50 Pocket, and as you can see, there is a default theme installed in my P50 Pocket, nothing special. But when I try to install this specially designed case onto the P50 Pocket, something will happen. Look at that. When I plug that in, and there will be a notification telling me that if I want to apply for the theme exclusively for the case, when I click apply, it downloads the theme into my phone and try to change the theme for me. So I don't have to click anything. I just put in the case and all the things works. Okay, look at here. I have this theme that match the design of the case. And furthermore, look at the second screen here. It also have a planet here. It just matched my case, and it feels great here. And the wallpaper change, also the icon here, look at the phone and the message icon, it also matching the theme. And the best of all is when I don't want this case, or I want to change to something else, I just pull the case out and boom, it restored to the original theme. And when I try to put in something else here, it changed accordingly to a specially designed theme exclusively for that case. That is really great. So that's all my sharing. See you next time.